What can brown do for you? Yeah, let's see if we can revive this old Ford. Been sitting probably about a year. Looks like it's been sitting a little bit longer than that, but let's stab a battery in it and see what she does. Oh, O'Reilly's. Yeah, stuck a new battery in there. Let's see what she'll do. But it ain't got no gas in it. Yeah, so we got some gas to put in it. What I don't like though, it says it's full on gas. Let's try something real quick. Let's throw some Cosby sauce right down its throat hole. See what she does. These gas engines, they love this stuff. They love it. Live off of it. Ruh-roh. She starts running. All right, let's pour the gas in there and see if the fuel pump's out or if it's just out of gas. All right, so we put about 4.5 gallons in it. Let's see if this thing will do anything now. Can't live off of Cosby sauce alone. The gas gauge moved down. Uh-oh. Was she just out of gas? I'm gonna sit here and run a few minutes. As soon as I turned the camera off, she died out. Let's try it again. She wants to start running, don't she? Let her sit here and run a few minutes and see what she does. Give her a little bit of gas. Oh, she ain't happy. Hit that throttle pedal and she died out. Yeah, we'll see what she does. I'll get back here in a minute. Well, I guess we'll just, all I do is put a battery in it and some gas. I guess the sending unit is bad. Kind of acts like it wants to stumble a little bit when I rev it up, but I put it in gear and it was ready to take off. I don't know. So we'll get back at you. We might try to drive it a little bit. I don't know. Check all the fluid and stuff like that. All right, fellas. Let's see if this sucker make it to my house. Ain't but 15 miles. She's running pretty smooth. I put 5 more gallons in it. See what she does. Dogwood Alley. Well. She made it up here, fellas. Didn't have too many problems. As far as running and driving, it did fine. Did have the little smoke coming off the rear brakes and, you know, stinking a little bit, like they rusted up, caliper stuck or something on it a little bit. Probably just wore the pads and the damn rotors out on the back of it. But whatever. It's just my old truck and sold it, and they ended up, I don't know, sold it 3 years ago, something like that. They ended up getting something else and said it was broke down, so I guess it just didn't have no gas in it. Gas gauge said it was full, so definitely gonna need to drop the tank and put another hole, just put a whole pump in it and stuff. But yeah, we just wanted to show you what we're working on, and yeah, I stopped at the car wash, but we're having a nice pretty day today, and couldn't even get in the car wash, so I need to give it a good bath because I got too many cars sitting up here as it is. And check engine light, no check engine light, and I don't know what, as far as if I driven it enough to get it through the drive cycle, but yeah, probably just gonna end this one out here, and we'll come back with another video, put a pump in it to clean it up and see what she actually looks like once she's all good and cleaned up, and check out the brakes and stuff on it. But we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.